sounder, one big one, a couple mediums, and some piglets. Moving right to left.
Carp, Jesus, Ben and I went hunting down in Bosque County, Texas, setting up in an oats field that had been harvested 2 weeks ago.
Ideally they're going to come down into the field.
As it turned out, it was one large sow and her group of piglets that were all about the same size. There were no medium-sized hogs after all. We'd come about halfway up into the field, hoping to meet the hogs about halfway. We're not going to try to get any closer because with each step that we take, the old oats are crunching very loudly under our feet, so we don't want to spook the hogs. Finally, the majority of the sounder starts moving down into the field. At this point, we're waiting for a shot on the large sow off to the left. We're waiting for her to turn. She is standing with her head away from us. She moves down into the group. Finally, a shot opens up. And here we go. We both hit our targets. Ben's hog goes down. My sow runs off. We're now looking for more targets. You can hear I find one. We have to be choosing our shots carefully because there are some livestock in the adjoining pasture.
Looks like you got one down in the back. Yep. Got one over here on the left.
Okay. Oh, into the tree.
Call it.
Okay, take it.
We both shoot at that one and it goes down.
Safe.
Here's the view from my rifle.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Well, that was... Did yours go down? Yours did.
Yeah.
Mine did not.
Sounded like a hit. Looks like you got one down in the back.
Yep.
Got one over here on the left.
The pig? Oh. Oh, into the tree. Nope.
Call it.
Okay, take it.
Shot. Safe.
Safe.
We recovered 3 of the smaller hogs, all boars, about 50 pounds each. About an hour later, we spied this group of hogs in the opposite direction. This is the view from Ben's rifle. Behind them is a hayfield of sorghum with no livestock in it. We both line up on this big hog right here, and it goes down, and our follow-up shots net one more hog down, and they turned out to be a boar and a sow, about 100 pounds apiece.
Optics provided by Third Coast Thermal.
Carpe sus, my friends.